Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my events planning business plan template, specifically the Word document portion of my business plan template. So the way this video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, I'm going to then walk you all through my event planning business plan template in the Word document. I'm going to show you the quantity of information, the structure, the writing style. And if you like what you see, then you can purchase my event planning business plan template, and I will provide you all with the link at the end of the video. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do need some, if you do want your business plan written by a professional, you want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, then please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to write your business plan for you. I would also be delighted to do your financial projections. I am also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance, so I do have some academics as well as real-world experience as backing up my thoughts and ideas about my event planning business plan template, as well as other templates that I've created. All right, so with that said and done, let's go ahead and zip through my handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation, which includes the event planning business plan template. So if you do purchase my event planning business plan template, once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with this title page right here. And on this title page, anywhere you see yellow in this title page and throughout the document, you're going to want to replace with your information. A lot of clients, what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and put their logo right here instead of the event planning, their logo will go there, or the name of the company can go there as well, however you see fit. And then they just move the business plan words down towards the lower portion of the title page. The next page is going to be the table of contents. So on the table of contents, as you go through the business plan template and you start adding your personal information about your events planning company, inevitably you're going to have more headers and you're going to have more pages. So what you want to do is when you're done, you come to the table of contents, click Update Table, click Update Entire Table, click OK. And once you do that, all your headers will update and all of your page numbers will update as well. The next section is the executive summary section. On the executive summary section, I do give you a great starting point for the event planning summary, the target market information, financial highlights, and funding requests. So this information, anywhere you see yellow, again, you want to review, make sure the information is correct, or put your information in there. Anywhere you see parentheses, words in parentheses, that is where I recommend you put your information in. Now, once you are on this tab right here for the executive summary, the financial highlights, you do need to update that. So for the financial highlights, you're going to have to go to your financial projections, which is if you do buy the event planning business plan template, it comes with the Word document, which is what we're going through now. It also comes with an Excel financial model that's customized for the event planning industry. In order to find your revenues, your cost, and your net profits for the first year, you want to go to the financial model. You want to update your information with the darker colored cells. Also go through the tutorial that I provide y'all with for the event planning financial model. I have a tutorial. Go through it and put up your information. Once you're done with it, you want to go to the projections tab. Under year one, the first three numbers, you're going to want to use those. So if we go over here to the financial highlights, you'll see 540,000 is aligned with revenues, 395,000 is aligned with cost, and then your estimated net profits, 110,000, is aligned with net profits. All right, next section is your funding request, how much money you need to get this party started, the term of your loan if you're going to have one, and your expected interest rate range would go right here. The next page is going to be your company description. Again, I give you a good starting point for the event planning summary. Your services provided, make sure you update this information with make it align with your company. I give you a starting point for your competitive advantages, your primary target market. Also, I give you a good starting point for your pricing strategy, hours of operation, location description, as well as a snippet of your strategic plan to show the reader where you're going and what objectives you expect to attain in the next 12 months, broken into 3, 6, and 12-month categories. The next section that's included in the event planning tutorial is the industry overview. I get this information from IBIS World. They're a leader in industry research, so I do summarize that information, and I put it right here. And then I also give them credit down here. The next section is going to be the SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. When you do update this smart art, you want to click on the graph. And then once you click on the graph, you want to go down here to this little arrow right here. Once you click on that, it'll open up a text box, and then you can go ahead and change all the text in the SWOT analysis in that text box. The next section is your organizational structure, broken into 2 categories, the ownership section as well as the organizational chart. Ownership, just update your ownership information here. And then an organizational chart, make sure it reflects how your company is going to look, whether you're going to have a CEO, event planner assistant, however it's going to be. Again, same deal with the smart art. You click on it. You click on the arrow right here. It opens it up and opens up a text box, and then you can make your changes accordingly. The next section for the event planning business plan template is going to be for the marketing. I do break it into 3 categories or 3 marketing channels, which is traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. I also give you a good starting point for each one of them, and feel free to customize it, make it your own, and add some more meat to the bone as you see fit. The next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? For placeholders, I'm saying it's $200,000, and the term of the loan is 8 to 12 years with rates between 4 and 8%. Again, change that information as you see fit, but it's a good starting point. The next section is your financial projections. So for the financial projections, they are going to come from the financial model. Again, that's included in the business plan template. You go through, you put in your information where the highlighted areas, follow the tutorial. And once you're done putting in all your information, the financial projections for the next 12 months, as well as for the next 5 years, will be updated. And all you got to do is copy and paste the information from the financial model into the Word document. And the financial projections include a 12-month profit and loss statements broken into monthly and quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then it also includes a pro forma income statement for the next 5 years broken in annually, year 1 through year 5. All right, so hopefully this helps y'all understand what's included in my events planning business plan template. And so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in buying my events planning business plan template, all you have to do is just go to this link right here. Also, I do provide tutorials on how to use my templates, and the tutorials are free. You can view them before you purchase, or you can view them after you purchase. All you have to do is just go to this link right here. All right, so if you do buy the event planning business plan template, it does come with the Word document as well as the tutorial, which is this video that we just went through. It also comes with the basic financial model customized to the industry, and the tutorial for the event planning financial model is that tutorial is separate in a separate video. There are some limitations to my event planning business plan template. First and foremost, it is not compatible with Google Docs, or it's not compatible with Apple products. So you do need Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, in order to make the changes. Also, I do not offer free phone support after you purchase the template. I would refer you to my business plan tutorials, or there is a charge for me to assist you in completing the business plan template. However, if you have questions before you buy the event planning business plan template, you have some questions about, what's the content, or what have you. You just want to talk about the template. Feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call at my cell phone here, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have that conversation before you purchase the event planning template. And finally, if you don't want to mess with templates or tutorials, you just want your business plan written by a professional, my prices page is right here. Be delighted to help. All right, so as always, have a great day, make a little bit of money, and thank you.